Good morning, everybody. It is 9/9, about 7:30 in the morning. I just came over here to have breakfast across the street from where I was sleeping at, and I'm coming to the Waffle House here. You guys see our family of birds over there? Well, I want you to pay particular attention to this. That's that Union Pacific across the way there. Now, the sound I was hearing, it sounded like, see, it says the railway right here, Kansas Avenue Railway, number 4. Well, I just want to let you know, I didn't hear cars going boom, boom, boom. I just heard that strange noise. But it is very possible that what we heard was these train cars. Yeah, but it went on all last night, and it was right behind me where I was sleeping. So I just want to let everybody know, clarify this, that there's a very good chance those could have been driving very slowly through here and making that noise. Just want to let you guys know so nobody's, false alarm. Caught me by surprise. But I'm going to have to say that was probably those train cars that I heard last night, you guys. I couldn't see it when I pulled in here last night. It was like 11:30. It was dark. And here they are. You guys see them for yourself. You know? I couldn't see it last night. So anyhow, let's just write that strange noise off as probably these trains. That's what we heard. Okay? If I would have heard cars going bang, 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 which I didn't hear them, because normally if it's starting up or something, it could possibly have just been moving right along very, very slowly. Who knows? I didn't hear any kind of sign of a car. I was listening hard for that. But anyhow, I'm going to have to, this is what it was. It's probably these train cars right here. Okay? This is like a central station for it right here. It's very long, and it's all fenced off down through here on both sides. God bless you guys. I love each and every one of you in the name of our Lord, Jesus Christ.